Good morning. We had a problem with our Traxxas / two-wheel drive, and we had to order the replacement kit.
I can't see.
Thank you. We had to order the replacement kit, and those little look like mines, right? They're knuckles. They are really tough to get together. So I figured I'd make this quick video to help people out. So this one I already did. You know when I used this tiny spring that came off the transmission? But basically you could just smoosh it on the ground until it pops. And like this is the part that goes against the transmission. And this is the tricky part. Hope you can see that. You just kind of get one.
No.
Thank you. How's that better?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get one arm in. Just a little bit.
One's sticking out in the back.
Yeah, so then this one's the one that's the problem. And what you do is you develop a case of carpal tunnel. It feels like I'm going to. It's really tricky. Maybe there's
Why
an easier
did you
way.
have to take this whole thing apart?
Oh my God, because we went puddle stomping and it pushed out. Oh.
And all these
Ow.
gears broke?
So then, well, what I was showing my boy
Wait,
here,
all these gears broke?
everything got rusty, broke, seized up. So as you see, this piece goes on the transmission and has a pin that slides through it. And then this slides onto here. And this is where the tire goes. But we ordered brand new ones from Traxxas to start fresh because this is what got frozen.
And which one got snapped?
This piece. We've broken this piece. Oh my goodness, how many times now? 5, 6?
5.
Easy. That's an easy swap out. It goes like this. The tire mounts onto here. And that's not a big deal to switch. But to rebuild this whole thing is our first time. And I wanted to share with people out there that this is how you put them together, because they don't ship them like this. Anyway, we're rebuilding the whole transmission as well right now, because I'm a glutton for punishment.
Why?
I don't know. So anyway, good luck. You have to do it yourself. Have a good day.